Lesson 104, number 24. This one is a sinusoid that they want you to sketch. So I made a little tiny graph of y equals sine x because that's my parent function. I take note that it goes up through the origin. So I have this little mnemonic device, maps, midline. Amplitude, notice there's nothing in front of sine. There's no coefficient, so the amplitude is just going to be 1, just like the parent function. And then phase shift is found by saying whatever the regular period of the parent function is, well, that's 360 over this number right here, so that's a half. So 360 divided by a half is really the same as 720, because if I flip and multiply that denominator, so the period equals 720. And in this phase shift, it says that the parent function got moved. I know it's x minus 90, but remember it makes it go the opposite direction. So this is moved 90 degrees to the right. So when I sketch my little graph, well, I'm going to be brave and I'm just going to sketch a sinusoid. Just start somewhere and just start sketching a wavy sinusoid. I'm paying attention to the midline and the amplitude. I guess I don't need that many cycles of it, but I'd say this is a nice, convenient place to start my sinusoid. So the sinusoid, really, you can just use 5 points to kind of define where it goes. So that there's like the middle, and then a maximum, then a middle, then a minimum, then the middle one again. So this one right here, which I decided I'm going to start it right here, that's going to be at 90 degrees. Okay, but I know I could have spread it out some. I know that the period is 720. So one cycle, I'll make it in red. One cycle, the distance between the beginning and the end of it is going to be 720. So I can get this angle measure right here just by going 90 plus 720. I know you're going to say it's 810. We already did that. Okay, there you go. So I know that seems kind of drastic, but it's true. And so, am I done? I feel like I'm done. I used the period, I used the phase shift, I used the amplitude, and there's the midline. So that's it. Probably could have saved some paper, right?